today we'll be opening all of the lightning round packs in Smoq Games 24 pack opener. I haven't opened them in a long time because I just forget to record it sometimes, so apologizes for that. We only have some packs ready to open. We have a big pack to open. Genuinely, what is going on? Don't expect it. 91 is our highest out of all of those 5 packs. That's a scam. That's Champions pack. Whoa. Come on. Yeah, we all excited for Erling Haaland. Yeah. But then he just beats Haaland. Okay, which one should we open first? Let's open the grades of the grade. What? Nah, don't tell me a 95 is our second highest. Fucking good. Di Natale? Thanks. 81 plus 30. Has to be big. Has to be. Oh, come on. Okay, that's gonna be all. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.